Changing a residential HVAC filter is a relatively simple process, but it's important to follow safety procedures and proper maintenance to ensure optimal indoor air quality. Here are the steps to change a filter, along with some tips for maintaining your HVAC system. Turn off the power to the HVAC system. This can usually be done by switching off the circuit breaker or removing the fuse for the HVAC unit. Locate the filter. This is typically located in the return air duct or in the air handler. Remove the old filter. This can usually be done by sliding it out of its slot or by removing any fasteners that are holding it in place. Inspect the filter for any damage or debris. If the filter is visibly dirty or damaged, it's important to replace it. Turn the power back on to the HVAC system. It's important to change the filter regularly, typically once a month, to ensure optimal indoor air quality and efficiency. In addition, regular maintenance of your HVAC system, such as cleaning the coils and having the system serviced by a professional, can help prolong the life of the system and improve its performance. Remember to always wear safety gear like gloves and glasses during filter replacement.